In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom reports in Pipedrive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a report that highlights the metrics that matter to you, so you can monitor performance with confidence. Start in the Insights section, which you'll find on the left sidebar. This is your central hub for reporting in Pipedrive. It's where all your analytics live and where you'll build, view, and refine your reports. Opening Insights sets the stage for everything that follows. Next, click the New Report button. This opens a fresh canvas for your analysis. Think of it as your workspace where you'll decide what you want to measure and how you want it displayed. You'll begin by choosing the type of report. Pick deals if you want to analyze your pipeline activity and outcomes. Choose activities to understand what your team is doing, calls, emails, and meetings. Select revenue to focus on value over time, which is great for forecasting. And pick leads if you want to examine top-of-funnel performance. Choose the one that best aligns with the question you're trying to answer right now. Now, set your filters to narrow your focus. Select the date range that matches your reporting period, such as this month, last quarter, or a custom span. Choose the deal status, won, lost, or open, depending on whether you're reviewing outcomes or in-flight opportunities. Filter by owner to look at individual or team performance, and refine by pipeline or stage to zero in on specific segments of your process. Keep filters tight and relevant so your report tells a clear, actionable story. With your data scoped, customize the chart. Pick a bar chart when you want to compare categories side by side, such as performance by stage or owner. Use a line chart to show trends over time, like month-over-month changes. Choose a pie chart if you need to display proportions at a glance. Then select how the data should be grouped, for example by stage or by owner, to make the visualization meaningful. Next, adjust the metrics you want to measure. Choose deal value to focus on money, count of deals to track volume, or conversion rate to assess how effectively opportunities move forward. Match the metric to your goal, for instance, conversion rate for efficiency, value for revenue impact, and count for pipeline health. When everything looks right, click Save and give your report a clear, descriptive name. Use a consistent naming convention so it's easy to find and understand later. That's it. You can now track performance using custom reports in Pipedrive. Thanks for watching.